Acid reflux.
Acid
T
reflux is
on
pretty
Call,
bad.
a new add-on from Prime.
This hour of music is sponsored by Events and Adventures. Get single with benefits. Visit eventsandadventures.com.
This report is sponsored by Lowe's. Shop the closeout event now at Lowe's. Get up to 35% off select major appliances. Plus, save an extra $100 when you spend $999 or more on all major appliances. Valid 1/4/24 to 1/24/24. Selection varies by location while supplies last. See Lowe's.com for details.
The free iHeartRadio app has over 100 commercial-free stations waiting for you to explore right now, like Pop Rewind, hit music from the 2000s through today. Pink, Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, Bruno Mars, Imagine Dragons, and more. Try something new for 2024. Just open the free iHeartRadio app, search Pop Rewind, and listen now. iHeartRadio. Free never sounded so good.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
This is Lori.
Morning.
San Jose, the accident has been cleared, but we still have stop-and-go traffic, 85 northbound before Almaden Expressway. San Pablo, we have an accident where the right lane is blocked. That's 80 eastbound after San Pablo Avenue. And in Mountain View, we have an accident in the center divide. That is a motorcycle accident, 101 northbound after 85.
Just getting used to winning thousands of dollars with easy money. It's back this week, man. For the new year, your word this hour is credit. Type that in on the
Good news with Marcus and Corey.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sometimes all you need is one good thought to make it a great day. So let's do this. It's good news on Star 101.3.
Giving you good news twice a morning, 7:40 and 8:40. It's brought to you by the Harlem Globetrotters 2024 World Tour, January 11th through the 14th, coming up in a couple of days. We start with Corey and her good news.
So last month we told you about Arizona Cardinals linebacker Jesse Lucchetta getting a flat tire on his way to the game, and there was a family who happened to be going to the game, and they gave him a ride. So Lucchetta scored this family, who are the Phillips, friends and family access to the game that day and promised to get them tickets for a future game.
Right, I remember this.
He made good on that promise.
Okay.
The Cardinals' home game against the 49ers, Lucchetta treated all 5 of them to a VIP experience at State Farm Stadium. He met the family with a bunch of Cardinals gear, including his own jerseys. They were then escorted to their box seats and later got to meet back up with Lucchetta on the sidelines for a photo op.
That's cute.
So here's a guy who made good on his promise.
And the dad said, like, we would have picked him up regardless. I guarantee they didn't even know he played, because he's like a third-string linebacker.
Does he look like, I mean, he's gotta be built.
He must be a big guy,
Yeah.
but that's really cool.
It's awesome. I'm just glad that, he promised something and followed through.
My good news is one of my favorite topics, lotto winnings. This is the story of a guy who won Virginia State lottery and just automatically split it with his brother.
So this is an agreement they had just all along.
This is a long-standing pact that I need to have with somebody. If one of us wins, we both win. If you win, I win, and vice versa.
That's a big pact.
His name is Tim. He won $230,000. Now, this is also important to me. What numbers did he use? Because I do quick picks, and sometimes I vacillate between should I use quick picks or should I use like numbers that mean something. He apparently used a set of numbers made up of birthdays and other important family dates. Those were his numbers, and he stuck with them. So he and his brother Steve always had this deal, and they got to hold up the gigantic $230,000 check together.
If my sister won the lottery and I reached out to her, I'd get a text back. Who dis?
New phone, who dis?
Who dis?
Anyway, 7:40 and 8:40. That's when we do good news. We'll check what's trending coming up next.
I learned what a plug door is after the Alaska Airlines flight, where a door flew out mid-flight.
You got to watch this video.
It's nuts.
It's crazy. It's on the Marcus and Corey Instagram. Give that a follow.
never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every stone's like gold teeth, gray ghosts dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I would crack the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with this. We didn't come for money, but every stone's like gold teeth, gray ghosts dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. Never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy.
Morning Royals, Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. It's 8:50. Good morning.
This is what I'm talking about. It's what's trending on Star 1013.
What's happening in entertainment news, the biggest stories of the day, and everything people are talking about today in the Bay.
You probably heard about this story over the weekend where an Alaskan Airlines flight going to Ontario, California from Portland, Oregon had a plug door blow out. They were in the air for about 20 minutes. They were at 16,300 feet with 171 passengers, 6 crew members. Now, a plug door is, it looks like a wall on the inside of a flight, but it's something for crew. It looks like a door on the outside of the plane.
Okay.
So you can open that up. It was, now, Alaska Airlines released a statement saying it was an in-flight departure of a mid-cabin door plug.
In-flight departure.
In-flight departure.
Oh my God.
I really like my doors not to depart
That's the best.
while we're in the air.
Description. You know what? Their PR person should get an A.
Well, no one was hurt. Everybody was fine.
Let's call it an in-flight departure.
He left early.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We have an in-flight departure of a cabin door. Don't worry, it's just a plug door. Everything's gonna be okay.
Like I said, everybody was fine. The video is crazy. It's on our Instagram page because these people are so calm, and there's just a hole.
You know what, dude? I love Alaska Airlines all day. This is not a plug. We just flew them coming back from Phoenix. They're great. This is a testament to the professionalism of that crew because I would have put my pantalones.
No, and my husband's on an Alaska Airlines flight right now. Well, they grounded all the 737-9s, and then the FAA followed suit. So they're grounding those 737 MAX 9 aircrafts across the country. So
There you go.
they did find the missing door, which is good. A school teacher named Bob